Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the smart beauty gadgets for glowing skin in summer. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to this channel for future updates. As technology becomes smarter and smaller, it naturally translates to an ever-improving field of clever skincare tools to transform our complexions. No trip to the dermatologist's office required. When you care about skincare as much as we do, you're always on the lookout for the next generation of game-changing skincare products. You know, the ones, those holy grail, often best-selling products that not only save time getting ready, but also restore your skin to its most luminous, angelic state. You know what dreams are made of. It's difficult to say, but there's probably no other market as saturated as skincare, making it difficult to navigate. With so many choices, how do you know what's worth the splurge and what's not? You already read roundups like this, so you're ahead of the game. Then you weigh your options and decide how much you want to spend, because good skincare is an investment. It should be noted that this list includes both splurge-worthy and budget-friendly skincare, and the choice is entirely yours. It's all about finding what works best for your unique skin type. It may seem like a tall order, but I assure you that these 50 revolutionary products truly measure up. It should also be noted that as you read, you'll notice some recurring ingredients that we're especially fond of. For example, hyaluronic acid is always a good idea, and pops up in many of our faves. Niacinamides, salicylic acid, AHAs, and retinols are all the same. From cleansers and balms to concentrates and masks, prepare to have your complexion rated 5 stars for the rest of your life. Number 15. UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 Facial Sunscreen. When sunscreen gets you super pumped, you know you're a skincare nerd. Elta MD is a name you'll hear a lot from dermatologists, because it's effective and no nonsense, with no fragrances or funky extras. This clear form of zinc oxide, which is typically thick and chalky, also contains lactic acid to prevent clogging of pores. Number 14. Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer for Face. We're always extolling the virtues of hyaluronic acid, and for good reason. This inexpensive little pot contains 3 different types, who knew, that work together to draw in moisture for up to 3 days. It's also lightweight, which is unusual for something this hydrating, making it ideal for layering over or under SPFs or active serums. Number 13. Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. As winter approaches, a cleansing balm may be just what the doctor ordered for skin that becomes sandpaper dry during the colder months. That means you can skip the makeup remover. The oil-based wax dissolves eye makeup, lipstick, and even the most stubborn primers and foundations. Massage with your fingertips onto dry skin, then rinse with warm water for clean, hydrated skin. Number 12. Purifying Face Cleanser. Probiotics are no longer just for your gut. Microorganisms that live on the skin's surface must be fed, and when they are well fed, they perform better, which means your skin thrives. This gel cleanser contains the brand's signature probiotic blend as well as chicory root, a prebiotic botanical that soothes inflammation and leaves your complexion glowing. Number 11. Sea Rush Vitamin C Gel Moisturizer. Mark my words, if you lather this cream all over your face, you're guaranteed to have a good morning. If you're tired of applying moisturizer multiple times a day, because your skin can't seem to get enough moisture, this long-lasting hydrator will be your new holy grail. It has a creamy gel consistency and is high in vitamin C, giving it a luminous, far from dull appearance. It imparts an unmistakable radiance to your skin. Not to mention its light citrus scent, which will transport you to the tropics. Number 10. Best Tools for Lifting. Nuface's pronged microcurrent massager, which is popular among celebrities such as Riverdale's Madeleine Petsch, stimulates facial muscles in 5 to 20-minute sessions, leaving complexions firmer and more toned. Apply a conducting gel before using the rollers to ensure that they glide easily over the skin. Number 9. Best Tools for Cleansing. Trying to avoid breakouts? Improve your cleansing routine with dermatologist-recommended devices that take face washing to the next level. Foro's pulsating disc is covered in bacteria-repelling silicone nubs that help lift impurities from pores without aggressive scrubbing, combining Swedish design with sonic cleansing technology. Proactive's facial cleansing brush provides a thorough cleanse, and its exfoliating bristles, which were designed with sensitivities in mind, make the skin appear smoother and softer to the touch. Number 8. Best Tools for Brightening and Anti-Aging. Do you have fine lines and dull skin? LED lights have long been lauded for their potent results. treating a variety of skincare issues in 10 minutes or less per day. Blue light reduces acne flare-ups, red light stimulates collagen production and helps reduce hyperpigmentation, and yellow light reduces inflammation and can even soothe sore muscles. Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare has a hands-free mask designed for Netflix marathons, and New York City dermatologist Ellen Marmure has created a line of targeted sheet masks that become even more potent when worn in conjunction with her new state-of-the-art light machine. Number 7. Best tools for pore retexturizing. Consider these 2 helpful tools if your 2020 resolutions include a "no pore left behind" mantra. Dermaflash's 2-in-1 sonic extractor gently removes pesky blackheads before assisting in the delivery of serum into the skin. The Glow Pro, a well-known microneedling device, promotes wound healing by stimulating cellular turnover and collagen production. Number 6. Best tools for sculpting. With these sculpting and facial toning devices that contour cheekbones, lift jawlines, and massage heavy brows, you can mimic the hands of Hollywood's most in-demand facialists. Gillian Dempsey's vibrating tool helps to relax tense muscles for a smoother appearance, while celebrity esthetician Joanna Check's aluminum-crafted massager increases circulation, and Nurse Jamie's lifting roller allows creams to penetrate deeper into the skin. Number 5. Best tools for puffiness. The Gua Sha, such as Cora Organics Rose Quartz Tool, is no match for puffy under eyes. When moved over the skin in quick motions, the traditional Chinese tool can increase blood flow, drain the lymphatic system, and tone complexions. Number 4. Best tools for inflammation. With ice therapy, you can reduce redness, inflammation, and puffiness. Teresa Tami's Cult Frozen Ball, Stakitskin's Stainless Steel Solution, and Aseology's Globe Massages, a Tracy Ellis Ross favorite, are all designed to be frozen before use for the ultimate jolt of blood circulating cold. Number 3. Age Bright Clearing Serum. This product may be beneficial to 2 types of candidates with different skin tones. The first is someone suffering from pandemic stress. Heyo. Without drying out your entire face, salicylic acid will work to clear out pores and prevent them from clogging and inflaming. The second group is those who want to delay the onset of aging. Niacinamide works to lighten dark spots, reduce redness, and reduce inflammation. Number 2. Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Assume your skin is as parched as the Sahara. Allow a very simple and inexpensive solution to take hold. This cooling gel cream contains hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture from the air into your skin via its humectant properties. The end result is plumper, plusher skin that lasts all day. Number 1. Resurfacing Clarity Mask. An Instagrammable mask that also gets the job done. That's fine with us. Blue Tansy is a potent floral high in azulene, a soothing anti-inflammatory. It's balanced with a blend of naturally occurring AHAs and bars derived from white willow bark, papaya, and pineapple. Take a picture and prepare for a deeply satisfying masking experience. Here are some home remedies for glowing skin in summer. Coffee plus lemon. Lemon is known for its high vitamin C content, which aids in skin brightening, whereas coffee is an excellent exfoliator. To make this remedy, combine 1 tablespoon of coffee with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a bowl. Mix them together thoroughly without forming lumps, and then apply the mixture to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing with water. Repeat this remedy twice or thrice a week for better results. Strawberry plus lemon plus yogurt. Fruit masks are a delight, and if you enjoy them, we are confident that this mask will become a favorite of yours. To make this mask, place mashed strawberries in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and then half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, then apply the mask for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. When you step out after using this mask, make sure to apply sunscreen. Honey plus egg. With this mask, you can give your skin a boost of natural moisturization. It will leave you with a natural glow. You'll need 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of honey for this mask. Combine them in a bowl, and gently apply it to your face. Allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Aloe vera. With this mask, you can give your skin a boost of natural moisturization. It will leave you with a natural glow. You'll need 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of honey for this mask. Combine them in a bowl, and gently apply it to your face. Allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Turmeric mask. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-aging properties, which also helps in reducing inflammation on the skin. It helps in brightening the skin and gives a natural glow. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to it, mix it well and apply the content on your skin. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off. Honey plus yogurt. To make this remedy, combine 1 cup of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl. Mix the ingredients thoroughly before applying to the desired areas of your skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with cold water. For best results, do this every day. Orange juice plus turmeric. Orange juice is well known for its astringent properties. To make this remedy, combine equal parts orange juice and turmeric in a bowl and thoroughly mix the ingredients. Make a paste out of it and apply it to your skin, massaging it in a circular motion for about 20 minutes. After that, you can rinse it off. It will leave you with naturally glowing skin. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.